Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll be giving you the unboxing and my full video review of the Edifier TWS NB2 earbuds. And stay till the end of this video as I'm planning to give one away to you guys as well, so keep watching. Now starting from the unboxing, it comes in a white box with the Edifier logo on top, the visuals of the earbuds in the middle, TWS NB2 down there, and some of the main features down below. Then at the back you'll find the explanation for some of the highlighted features. Then on the bottom towards the side of the box you'll find a written color variant of the earbuds, as it comes in black and white as well. Then you'll need to slide open the box from the side, which reveals another black box. And opening that, you'll find the earbuds charging case. Right above, there is a smaller box which contains a nice cloth carrying pouch, a USB-A to USB-C cable, the ear tips with additional size of small and large, and finally the instructions and the manual guide. Now let's look at the build quality. Now first, looking at the charging case, it comes with a plastic clamshell built with a leather-like material kind of finish, which does make the charging case to look a bit on the premium side without having lots of weight to it, as it only weighs at 52.9 grams with the earbuds inside. Then the charging case is charged through a USB-C port at the back to charge the device case and the earbuds of course. Then you'll find a light indicator over there when it's charging or even when it's charged. Now opening the charging case, I did not feel like the hinges were like a cheap material, which was great to know, and you'll find both of the earbuds side by side, placed magnetically as usual. It won't come off even when you turn it upside down. Then you'll find the pairing indicator light and button between the earbuds and the left and right indicator as well. Then on the earbuds itself, it is made of plastic and had a matte finish, which had a very unique design to it, almost futuristic, like a gaming kind of earbuds, which I kind of like compared to a typical stock kind of design which most companies love to follow. Now other than the indications of left and right and the microphones, you'll also find the proximity sensor over there, and the ear tips are easily changeable to change which ear tips that fits your ears. Now what's new about this version of the TWS NB2 is the improved IP rating, as it is now IP54 dust and splash resistant, which is quite a bonus feature considering its price that Edifier offers. And based on me listening to music casually or even working out was great. Now the newly improved design surely helps with the overall fitting of the earbuds with the standard medium-sized ear tips which comes inside of the box. Now I did find that the end of the earbud stem was slightly touching the top part of my cheekbones, but this depends on the shape of your face. And as usual, here is a quick sound mode test. Not coming out. Not coming out. Good. Nice. So the initial pairing process is super simple, as it has Bluetooth 5.0 and is compatible both with Android and iOS devices, where it will immediately go into pairing mode once it's taken out from the charging case. Once you put them in your ears, you will hear a voice prompt which says it's pairing. Then just turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and look for Edifier TWS NB2 in your Bluetooth settings, and you're done. And of course, once you pair the earbuds in the future, as soon as you open up the charging case, it pairs to your phone immediately. Now just in case you want to pair the earbuds to maybe another phone or your PC or your laptop, just press and hold the pairing earbuds button over here on the charging case to initiate the pairing process again. And of course, since it has a lower price point, it does not allow you to do multi-pairing for different devices. So every time you switch devices, you'll need to first unpair with the other device before you switch devices. Now, as for playback controls, it is all done by the tap or touch control, where the tap control works for music and call mode, where on the right hand side of the earbuds, tapping twice plays or pause the track for music or video control, and it also answers or ends a call. Tapping 3 times goes to the next track. Then tapping on the left earbuds twice goes to the ANC mode, the Ambient mode and the normal mode. Then tapping it 3 times toggles the gaming mode on or off. And since there is a proximity sensor on each earbuds, it will automatically pause the track once it's removed from your ears, where Edifier calls it the Smart Play and Pause feature. And what's cool is the fact that the earbuds also allows you to use a mono mode or one earbuds mode, where the controls will slightly differ on the left, where there is no ANC mode since you're just using a single earbud. So after reviewing a lot of Edifier earbuds and headphones, I was happy to learn that finally there's an app which I could use together with the earbuds, which is called the Edifier Connect App, which is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Now looking at the home screen of the app or the headphones tab, you'll find the battery indicator for both of the earbuds, but not on the charging case. Then there's also the noise cancellation toggle. You'll find the ambient sound toggle next to it, where you can increase or decrease the intensity if you want to. Then below you'll find the current music that you are playing. So if, for example, if you're playing music on Tidal, the artist and the song title will appear over there. Then the next Discovery tab shows some of the latest Edifier's lineup of items. Then the final tab is called Mine, where in there you'll find the options like supported devices for the app. There's also the widget view layout options, the FAQs, and about the product. Then going back to the headphones or the home tab and going to the settings menu, here's where you can find many toggle options to control accordingly, which includes toggle for gaming mode on or off. So the noise cancellation on the Edifier TWS NB2 is called the Hybrid Noise Cancellation, which is through the BES 2300YP chip, which relies on the microphone to capture the ambient sound and then cancelling them out. Now the reason why it's called hybrid, because of instead of just using the microphones either on the inside or outside of the earbuds area, Edifier uses both instead, which gives you an overall better noise cancellation, especially with a product within this price range. Now, if you're considering the first generation TWS NB from Edifier instead of this second generation, I would totally advise you against it, since the noise cancellation has improved more than 28%, and that was also a reason why I did not do a versus video between both generations. Now, in terms of the passive noise cancellation, it was decent. But since the noise cancellation on the earbuds was great, so I would advise to fully rely on that instead. Then the ambient mode uses the microphone to capture the external sound and amplifies them in your ears to be aware of your surroundings. And what's nice is that it is also available when listening to music, and you can always adjust the intensity of the mode in the app as mentioned earlier in the app walkthrough. Now let's talk about the overall sound quality. Now the Edifier TWS NB2 has a huge 13mm dynamic speaker driver on each earbuds, which is also a great surprise as some earbuds usually does not come with such a huge speaker driver. So I've gone through many tests on the earbuds for the past 2.5 weeks by listening to different genres of music. Now overall, I can say that the sound quality as usual did not disappoint. Now the previous mid to low end earbuds from Edifier tends to be not so great on their bass deliverance, but that was not the case here, where the bass surprisingly sounded quite deep, where it surely was just at the right place. And the mids and the highs were also at a balanced level, where again other earbuds within this price range or even lower tends to boost on the high frequency, and that again was not the case on the Edifier TWS NB2. Now there were no significant difference when listening to music both with ANC on or off, but it was there but not really apparent, so I just leave it turned on. Now, I'm also happy to note there was no latency when watching videos on YouTube and watching Netflix. And the earbuds also has a new gaming mode as mentioned in the controls, where it brings down the latency level while playing games down to a mere 80 milliseconds. Where usually I would not recommend using wireless earbuds when it comes to highly competitive gameplay. And right now, you are one step closer to probably using this during your high competitive gameplay. Now, when it comes to the microphone quality, I have tested the microphones with the noise cancellation on the microphones on the earbuds. Now, the overall volume was great with very audible speech, almost premium-like sound. And here's a quick sound test directly using the earbuds microphone.
This is a microphone test on the Edifier TWS NB2 with a single fan on. Test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2.
Now, as for battery, I got an average of 6 hours and 15 minutes for the battery on the earbuds itself, with 100% volume and noise cancellation turned on all the way as well, and about 17 hours on the case. But if the ANC is turned off, I got about 9 hours and 5 minutes on the earbuds, which is more than what Edifier claims, so that was nice. Now, I did not really calculate how long that the charging case lasts, but Edifier claims about 23 hours, so again, I'm surely expecting a bit more. Now, in conclusion, as you have probably already seen and heard in my previous videos, I've always mentioned about how whenever Edifier releases an item, I'm very positive over its results that I get from each earbuds, headphones and speakers from Edifier as well. So if you guys are looking for a great sounding earbuds with a very unique design, great sound signature and an amazing battery life, then yes, I would totally recommend the TWS NB2 for you. Now, as for the price here in Malaysia, it is going for 349 ringgit and is available in black and white, and I'll leave links down at the description below for you guys to get yourself one. Now, be sure to check my links frequently as Edifier tends to always bring down their price very often as well. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video. You still here? Oh, you're waiting for the giveaway, huh? There you go. So yes guys, as mentioned that I will be giving away one unit of the Edifier TWS NB2 for each one of y'all, and it's nicely sealed, so don't have to worry about COVID-19 and all. And if you guys like to know more, I'll be actually releasing an Instagram post as soon as I release this video here on YouTube, so make sure to follow me there for more details on how you can win yourself one. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful to make your purchase decision, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. That would be very appreciated to help me stick out from this weird YouTube algorithm. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Giveaway done. Bye. 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 Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now. Go. And be sure to check my... Cheng.